right, everybody, let's talk a little bit about the plans that we offer here at Barrett Real Estate. So we have two plans here. You can choose to be a 100% agent. The 100% agent is going to pay $25 a month, $295 a file, $50 a quarter for your E&O insurance, and $45 a month for your CRM, which is optional. We use Chime here at Barrett Real Estate. Or you can choose to be an 85-15 split agent. There is no monthly fee, there is no per file fee, and Chime is already included. The only thing you're going to pay for on this program is $50 a quarter for your E&O insurance. It's a pretty good deal. No matter which plan you're on, the cap is only $12,000. After that, you're only going to pay $75 per file. Now, there is a couple caveats here. The $295 a file, when you sell above $750,000, it does jump up to $695. That's the last time it jumps. And then for this, for the 85-15 program, the only difference is there is a requirement of one deal per year. But listen, those are the two programs we offer here at Barrett Real Estate. And I just want to tell you, just give me a call. There's a couple other things here that go into why you might choose one or the other. But listen, at the end of the day, we don't really care which one you choose. We just want you to get over here. We want you to build your business the way you want to build it.